Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Slides tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to group objects in Google Slides. This is actually quite simple. First I open Google Slides and as we can see I have some objects here that are not in a group yet. If I want to change the position of the objects I have to do this individually. For grouping objects in Google Slides I have to select the first one and then holding the Control key and select the next one. As we can see, Google Slides now marks this area as a group. If I add more objects to this group, the area will get bigger and bigger. Now I have all my objects selected. The last thing I have to do is make a right click on one of the objects and select Group. We can also use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-G. Now this is selected as a group in Google Slides. When I select one of the objects, all other objects are selected as well. And now I can change the position of this picture, for example, and the rest will follow. And that's all you need to know. If I want to ungroup the objects later, I just have to do the same thing, make a right click and select Ungroup, or use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Shift-G. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.